What if I told you that the plain white box in your kitchen could tackle over 20 health issues and even enhance your workouts and dental routine for just pennies? We're talking baking soda, but not your grandma's tips. Today, I'll reveal unusual health hacks and a cutting-edge trick being tested in cancer research for this $1 solution. The final one is guaranteed to shock you, so stick around until the end. Fast fact: baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring mineral found in places like Kenya, California, and Mexico. It's alkaline, about pH 9, and a first responder to neutralizing acid. Important distinction: this is not baking powder. Pure, single-ingredient sodium bicarbonate. It reacts with acids to form carbon dioxide and water. Why it fizzes in recipes and can soothe acid-based symptoms. Baking soda has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Egypt, where natron, a naturally occurring form, was used in mummification and cleaning. Its versatility as a cleaner, leavening agent and health remedy makes it a staple across cultures. Suffer from occasional heartburn or indigestion? Pharmaceutical antacids often use sodium bicarbonate, but you can DIY mix half a teaspoon in 1 cup of water, sip it after meals, and let the alkaline properties soothe your stomach. Why it works? When the stomach is too acidic, you feel burning, bloating, or reflux. Baking soda neutralizes this excess acid, giving quick relief. It's like putting out a fire, with science. People with acid reflux may benefit from this after meals, especially if they've eaten spicy or fatty foods. Always wait at least 1 hour after eating to avoid interfering with digestion. For fresh breath and cleaner teeth, toss baking soda into your dental care routine. It mildly abrasives enamel and fights odor-causing acids. No wonder it's used in toothpaste. Mouth rinse recipe: 1 teaspoon baking soda plus 1 teaspoon salt plus warm water. This rinse is gentle enough for sensitive mouths. Even cancer patients undergoing chemo find relief. Extra tip: use baking soda to gently polish teeth once a week. Overuse can erode enamel, so moderation is key. You can also sprinkle a pinch onto your toothbrush to boost whitening power. Just don't overdo it. Use it for painful mouth ulcers. 70% fewer lesions were reported in large patient trials using frequent rinses. You can also apply a baking soda paste directly to the sore for fast relief. Baking soda's alkalinity helps neutralize acids that irritate ulcers, while its anti-inflammatory effects calm the area. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily for noticeable relief. Bug bites or sunburn. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply. It neutralizes acidic venom and eases itching. For dry skin, make a gentle scrub with water and baking soda to polish rough areas like elbows, heels, and knees. Some dermatologists suggest it can help manage mild eczema flare-ups by reducing irritation, though always test on a small area first. Bonus: a 10-minute baking soda bath can ease skin irritation, body odor, and leave you feeling refreshed. Got athlete's foot or fungal nail infections? A baking soda soak can help thanks to its alkaline, antifungal nature. Soaking your feet for 15 minutes in warm water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda can reduce fungus and foot odor. Combine baking soda with coconut oil for a potent topical antifungal balm. Apply it daily for a week and watch how your skin clears up. So, have you ever heard of bicarbonate loading? It's when athletes actually sip baking soda to help buffer lactic acid during those super intense sprints that last from about 1 to 7 minutes. And honestly, it can really give performance a boost. Here's how to do it safely. You mix 0.3 grams of baking soda per kilogram of your body weight in water, and drink it about 60 to 90 minutes before your workout. But, just a heads up, expect some bloating, so definitely use this with caution. For post-exercise recovery, you can add half a cup of baking soda to a warm bath. Its alkalinity helps reduce muscle inflammation and even accelerates recovery. This is especially effective after those high-intensity leg day workouts. For people dealing with metabolic acidosis or even early-stage kidney issues, sodium bicarbonate might actually help slow down the progression. In fact, one long-term study found a 36% lower risk of kidney failure with regular use. Here's how it helps. When kidneys are damaged, they just can't remove acid from the body as well. Baking soda supports your buffering capacity and reduces the overall acid load. Some nephrologists even prescribe it in clinical settings, but always under supervision, of course. Women with urinary tract infections and acidic urine may benefit from alkalinizing agents. A 2017 study found baking soda helped ease pain and urgency, likely by neutralizing urine pH. While it's not a cure, baking soda may help flush bacteria by promoting a less hospitable environment. Always combine this approach with hydration and medical guidance. Here's the most surprising: baking soda's potential role in cancer treatment. Why it matters: tumors tend to be more acidic, with a pH around 6.5 to 6.9, than healthy tissue, which is about pH 7.4. Baking soda may buffer this acidic microenvironment, and animal studies show reduced metastasis and tumor growth. In one 2009 study, mice given baking soda had fewer metastatic tumors. Newer trials are exploring combining baking soda with chemotherapy and immunotherapy to enhance drug delivery and tumor response. Still experimental, but honestly, it's exciting enough to have the scientific community taking notice. A real glimpse into the future of non-toxic cancer support therapies. Essential guidelines. Baking soda contains 1,259 milligrams of sodium per teaspoon. Not safe for those with high blood pressure or heart and kidney issues. Don't exceed 3.5 teaspoons per day. For seniors, limit to 1.5 teaspoons. Maximum safe duration is 2 weeks. Never mix it with medications. It disrupts absorption. Children under 6, pregnant or breastfeeding women, please consult a professional first. Common side effects of overuse include nausea, vomiting, gas, and electrolyte imbalances. So there you have it. Over 10 powerful ways baking soda can support your body, from calming tummy troubles to upgrading your skincare routine, boosting athletic performance, and even contributing to emerging cancer research. Have you tested any of these hacks? Or do you have a unique baking soda trick we missed? Drop your story in the comments. I really want to hear from you. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more science-backed, natural health tips. Bonus tip: mix a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of lemon juice in water first thing in the morning. It acts as a gentle detox tonic to alkalize your system, boost digestion, and kickstart your day. Use no more than 3 times a week. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring nature's simple solutions.